In today's video, let's quickly take a look at the way that you view or check your Amazon Music listening history. If you want to take a look at all the songs or albums and playlists that you listen to inside of Amazon Music, let me exactly show you how it is done. You just need to head over to the library section and make sure you head inside of Music Library. You can also do the same process if you're using the app of Amazon Music. Once you're inside of the library section, you'll be able to see the section called recently played. All of the songs, stations, playlists, or albums that you played inside of Amazon Music will be visible right here inside of the recently played section. If you have tons of songs or playlists played, you're going to see a long list of songs or these albums that you've played inside of Amazon Music. You can head back to one of these options and start playing these songs again. So that's exactly the way that you check the Amazon Music listening history. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.